Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ida Anissa Suryaningsih. I am one of the student of IKIP Siliwangi, class B1, PGSD with ID 220603020. On this occasion, I will explain what components are in the teaching module. Modul ajar bahasa Inggris. Siska Indriani S. Hum. English Teaching Module. A. General Information. 1. School Identity. School Name SPK Sema Swasta Bandung. Subject English. Fase or Class E9. Domain Topic Short Presentation Text 1 Review. CP Dimension 1. Reading, Viewing. 2. Writing, Presenting. Time Allocation Semester Academic Year Founder Name. Number 2. Initial Competences. Prerequisites. 1. Students already have prior knowledge of short text types and are able to read information in English well and correctly. 2. Participants have a sufficient understanding of standing during tenses in the present tense and past tenses properly and correctly. Number 3. Pancasila Student Profile. 5. Devotion to God and noble character. This learning activity begin and by flying to God and Almighty with the aim that students can take part in learning activity and a healthy, smooth condition and gain useful knowledge and become an reflection of a person who has noble morals. Critical reasoning. In this activity, students are invited to analyze, acting, online review, and identify language features of the text. This develops students' ability to think critical about implicit and explicit meanings in the text. Independent. Students can find information on online review expressed independently. Work together. Students are able to collaborate or work together is creating an online review text using a variety of media. Creative. Students are able to produce ideas, work, and flexibility of thinking in making an online review using a variety of applications. 4. Facilities and infrastructure. Learning resources. Media and tools, materials, laptop, LCD projector, smartboard, smartphone, speaker, blackboard, presentation slides. Number 5. Target student. Student with English language proficiency at A2 B1 level. 6. Learning model. Method. Project-based learning BZBL dengan mengoptimalkan PVACK. Modul content. Number 1. Material to be studied. Nah, di sini adalah materinya. Bisa dibaca ya. Learning objective. Number 3. Meaningful understanding. After studying normal online review, students can create similar text and present them well to other students. Number 4, later question. What makes people want to eat in a Christian cafe or a restaurant? What role do you think visual shows as photo of dishes fly in a restaurant or cafe review? If you were to write a review for your favorite restaurant or cafe, what aspect would you highlight to help others understand why you love it? Learning activity. Stay, teacher activity, student activity, time allocation. Introduction. Preparation or orientation. Open class with greeting and flyer. Seeking attention student. Ask question, a session with initial competency together word work. Student activity. Receive greeting with an open and friendly attitude. Show attention and empathy when hurling or responding to greeting. Deliver flyer with gratitude and solemnity. Show concern for the learning process by responding to the teacher when checking attendance. Community with praise and classmates in a positive and polite manner. Demonstrate a responsible attitude by notifying the teacher if there is a special reason for attendance. Analysis quiz question to identify and correct word to convert the sentences provided. Convert from in multi voice to determine the correct verb. A perception. Ask Tiger to a question. What makes people want to eat in a certain cafe or restaurant? What role do you think visual shows and photos of dishes fly in a restaurant for cafe review? If you were to write a review for your favorite restaurant or cafe, what aspects would you highlight to help others understand why you love it? Play audio containing someone talking about a restaurant they have visited. A question relative to the audio you heard. Why does Jeff like the almond fare in an expensive restaurant? What does he say about the food? Conveying goals learning. Nah, barusan itu adalah kegiatan guru, aktivitas guru sekarang. Di aktivitas muridnya di persepsi itu ada analisis and evaluate various possible answer and choose the most favorite one. Analysis important information in audio and identify key factor on times. Summarizes more abstract information for audio information. Ask individual question or a creative creation to better understand the material. Cure. Please one determining this mental question. Please do design product planning and creative monetization Sekudo. Phase 3 monitoring activity and development project. Phase 4, testing result. Phase 5, evaluation learning expenses. Teacher activity, student activity, time activity. Di sini juga ada yang fase pertama, ada juga ini isinya aktivitas guru, aktivitas siswa, dan juga waktunya berapa lama. Sini. Kemudian closing, evaluation and follow-up plans. Assessment, attitude assessment. Attitude assessment is obtained from the result of observation during learning activity. Attitude assessment in the form of activity, cooperative and creative. Formative assessment, assessment of work, result, and presentation. Formative assessment is obtained from group assessment in the form of project assessment. When done during learning, profession, prepared work, and presentation assessment rubric form. Implementation during learning, follow up, precision the assessment result. Rubrik penilaian hasil karya. Di sini disimpan hasilnya untuk rubriknya. Enrichment and remedial. Enrichment, student with grades or performs above the class average will resolve enrichment activity in the form of individual assessment. Remedial, student with grade of performance below the class average will make improvements and report assessment. Student will carry out targeted learning, namely by asking for help from student with grade above the class average. Teacher reflection, have the learning objectivity been achieved? The student cooperative fill in this question activity. Have there been any scan in? Student attitude and skill during the learning process. Reflection of student. What is the material deficit on to understand? What activity or activity are difficult to complete? Assessment LKPD. Reading material for teacher and student. Glosarium. Bibliografi. Diketahui ini oleh Bapak Muhammad Budiman SSI MPD GR, dan juga di sini ada guru kelas Siska Indriani S. Hum. Assessment attitude, assessment rubric, observation assessment. Observation assessment is based on an observation of student attitude and behavior during the learning process. Direct observation carried out by the teacher. The following is an example of an attitude assessment instrument. Attitude journal. Student worksheet LKPD 1. Student worksheet LKPD 2. Student worksheet LKPD 3 and 4. Rubric for assessment of work. Presentation assessment rubric. Level of activity participation of student in learning. Student activity assessment instrument and feedback. Teacher reflection journal. Student reflection journal. At the end of the lesson, student asks to reflect on the learning that has been carried out by answering the following quizzing question. Action information observation sheet. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.